guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is a renovation video. I am now ready to go through each of the rooms, showing you the before and after, showing you every single thing that we did in the room. So today we are starting with the master bath. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. I've been running up and down the stairs, y'all. I am so thirsty. Okay. So, for those of you that are new here, welcome. For those of you that have been with me a while, you know that we did a very big move, and that was from Texas to Connecticut. We love our home. We did not love it when we first moved in. A lot of work needed to be done, and for the last 3 months, we have been doing quite a bit of renovations on the interior of the home. The first thing that needed to be painted was the literally from ceiling to baseboards, every single room in the house was painted, all cabinetry, all shelving, everything. It was quite an interesting few weeks. So we are going to start with the master bath because that room is for the most part completely finished. So let me go ahead and I'm going to do it vlog style, and let me start though by showing you what it looked like before. So this house had a lot of different paint colors, and the bathroom was this green sort of color, and it had maroon blinds, and it had brown tile, and the vanity was only 60 inches, and the wall was 90 inches, so didn't quite understand that. But it had potential, like every other part of this house has potential. It's a large bathroom, loved the freestanding bathtub, and I loved that the shower was sort of set off. I love that the potty had a little pony wall. Pony wall is just a short wall. So there was definitely some, the flooring, although I would love to replace it at some point, and maybe I will, it didn't need to be replaced because it actually is neutral. So it doesn't bother me. It needs to be cleaned, and I'm going to take care of the grout. So that is the before. Now I am going to just zip it, and we're gonna go vlog style. Okay, so before we jump in, just let me say that every single thing from paint color to accessories to furniture, whatever it is that I have put in each of these rooms that I'm going to eventually show you, specifically the master bathroom today, I will have listed. A lot of what I get is off of Amazon, and then a lot I get elsewhere. And if I find more than one link for something, I will give you a couple links to choose from, because maybe you have a favorite store that you enjoy shopping at. But I will literally list everything that is in the master bath that at least I put in. So everything will be listed in the description box. All right, let's jump in. All right, guys, so this is the first completed room. I can't say for sure that it'll always stay this way. I might add a plant, I might add something, but I would say that it's completed at this point. So master bath. So let me go ahead and take you in, and I will split screen and show you before and afters. So here we go. So we come this way, and there is a pocket door here. So we can shut it. We never do. It's just my husband and I. Biggest changes in here were paint color and changing out the vanity, and then just adding our touches. So when you walk in, you have this gorgeous freestanding tub, which we loved. This was here before, so I just, you know, I'm obsessed with these marble trays. They're a faux marble tray, and I love them. So I have them here, and on the vanity I will show you. And then I added this, obsessed. I didn't think it would stay clean, and I was like, oh, I don't know. It does. What I do is just spray it down with a little body wash after I'm done using it. It makes all the difference in the world. And it just has little suction cups on the back. So it makes it super comfortable. On the window sill, and I probably will eventually You can't see in from outside, but you can see outside, which has the view. So I have apothecary jars with bath salts of all sorts of different kinds, and then just some little foliage. Remember these ones? Those came in the 3-pack. I love those. These are some little chrysanthemums right off of Amazon. I picked up this little stool. I love it. It holds extra bath towels. Washcloths, by the way, these washcloths are amazing. Again, off of Amazon, super plush. And then bath bombs. And then decorative towels that nobody's allowed to touch. I guess it's gotta look good, right? This shelf, really cute. It hanged above our potty in the other bathroom in Texas. This is where I'll keep just a few of like my body washes. I always keep a backup of both his and mine. And then anything from City Beauty Mask, City Beauty products, and then Juno cleansing balm. Toilet tissue in a hyacinth basket. My favorite. There's a candle there as well. And then a cute little sign that says bath. And then love this sign. Relax, soak, unwind, hot bath. I thought that looked really good. The paint color in here is all 3 of these walls. So let me do this wall over here. This is a heated towel rack, and the floors are actually heated. I do have a little hamper in here, and then I started saving for you guys when I do favorites, fails, and empties. I don't want to bring like the bath stuff upstairs, so I just keep a little basket down here. And so the color in here is Gray Owl at 50%. So if you want a beautiful gray, Gray Owl at 50%, this is a very, you get a lot of sun, but not too much because it is on the lower level. Then the biggest change is this wall here. We added the shiplap, which is gorgeous. I am obsessed. So you can see this is, I'll give you a close-up. This is the shiplap. This was what they would call 8 inches, but it's truly not 8 inches once you put it together. And then these mirrors, ooh, love these. And they tilt you all. So let me show you. They actually, look at the hardware on here. Gorgeous. And they have, so they actually move. So if you want them, I'm gonna sit you here. Hold on, let's see if I can do this. I can see these mirrors. Okay, so they actually have a rounded beveled edge and a beveled edge in the mirror. And then you can move them. So if you wanted them, I have the soap dispenser here. If you want them, you know, for whatever reason, I just keep them all the way down and love them. Same with the hardware. Let me zoom you in. Hardware, love this. This is that rainfall faucet, and it's gorgeous. It again, I got this also off of Amazon. And if you look closely, I've actually mixed metals, because if you look at the knobs, these are silver, but you can metal mix. These two are close together, so I wanted them the same. The marble, this is a Carrara marble, beautiful top. Here, let me. Gorgeous top. So the vanity is 84 inches long. The last one we had was only 60. Tons of storage, and it's all soft close. So there you go. See that? And then you come over here. The drawers are the same way. You just soft close. So you literally have 4, 8, 12 drawers. These ones down here are great as well. And again, soft close. So tons and tons of storage. It came with the Carrara marble, it came with the sinks, and it was beautiful. We love it so much. And then again, I used the marble trays. I like when everything is organized. These are from Grove. They're glass dispensers, so I just fill them as needed with soap. And then this is my little City Beauty section for down here. Again, a little glass tray. These I got off of Amazon. Again, some chrysanthemums. Love apothecary jars. On my husband's side, again, same thing, glass jars. And then some more apothecary jars, as well as the little tray. And then the bath mats, We have one down here, which is white, and it actually stays white, and a smaller one here for the shower. So on here, there was already a hook. I love my robes from Mason Gray. Those are all they're all Mason Gray robes, as well as the little night camis. They're just so comfy. So the only thing we did not do in here is the shower. So you can see the tile is this color. Love the door. Love the rain. We have two, so we have the handle and the rain faucet. So great. It's just the tile. So I'm actually going to try a DIY project, and I'll let you know about that. So that part is not done, but everything else in here is. So this little bench, this is actually waterproof. So you could put it in the shower if you wanted, but I really liked it just to sit on the edge if I wanted to put a glass of wine, if I wanted to put a candle. Sometimes I do. I'll grab the candle and put it there. And the ceilings were painted as well, very bright white. There's lots of light in here, which makes it nice. Let me turn these off. There's the lights off, and it's still, because of the windows, gives a very nice, bright, airy feeling. We did leave the floor tile. Is it my favorite? No, but this bathroom is very large, and you know, it's all about money. I do want to clean it up, and that is another project that I have. I'm going to see if I can work some magic with the grout. So we shall see. But we had all the baseboards done too. So all the baseboards, all of the molding, so molding, baseboards, that's windowsill, that's Sherwin Williams Ultra White. All right, well, there you go, guys. That's the before and after of our master bath. So there you go, guys. That is the before and the after of our master bath. It really doesn't take a whole lot. The biggest purchase in there was the vanity. It's the only large purchase, because we didn't do any tile work or anything like that. So the vanity, the mirrors, the faucets, that was the biggest expense. Was that actually that wall was the biggest expense, because we also, of course, did the shiplap, and I just love the look. The color again that we used is Gray Owl at 50%, and it just looks wonderful in that room. Now let me tell you something about paint color, because I will tell this to you throughout. Gray Owl, there are, let's see, not counting, let's see, I'm gonna count cabinetry, and I'm gonna count everything, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5 colors we used in this house, and that is counting cabinetry and trim. So really there's only 3 main colors that we used in this house. The trick, and I wanted it to be gray. Gray is a very difficult paint color to work with, because some have blue undertones. I did not want that. Some have that beiges, where it's a grayish. I think that's what they call it. I didn't want that. I wanted as true to gray as I could get, and Gray Owl downstairs in that room works beautifully. It did not work in other rooms. It would not work upstairs 100% because we have way too much light upstairs. It will look blue. So, but it did look gray. It did look gray. It did look gray, and it does look great in that bathroom. But in this case, it looks gray, and what goes very, very well with it is Sherwin Williams, the Ultra White. Now, what's interesting is the wall, however, the wall of shiplap is not Sherwin-Williams trim color. It is actually the cabinetry color, and the cabinetry color is Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace. By the way, the Gray Owl is also Benjamin Moore. I forgot to mention that. That is Benjamin Moore, 50%. So all that means is you go in and I say, I want this 50% lighter. You can say 50% darker, you can say anything you want. I got it 50% lighter. So it worked really well in that in the bathroom. I wanted my aesthetic, for those of you that know, it's sort of, we have a lake house. So I want it to be light, bright, airy. I want my master bath to be spa-like. I want it to be clean looking. I want it to be just refreshing, And I think by adding a lot of whites and a very neutral, beautiful gray. The Vanity, again, is going to pull those colors. Gray Owl likes Carrara marble, the color, as does Chantilly lace and Gray Owl. They go very, very well together because, again, there's a zillion whites out there and not every one of them is a true white. So Chantilly lace goes very, very well with Gray Owl. It goes very well with a lot of grays, but Chantilly lace is a really great white. It looks great on our cabinets. So, and then of course I wanted a bigger vanity. So we really love this vanity. So I think that looks good. And then I just added blacks and whites and greens. Like I said, I do have some faux plants in there, but I want to get a really live, I think I'm going to look for a philodendron with like a white pot. I know exactly what I want in my head. It's just I've got to find it. And then artwork is very important to me. I didn't want to have a lot of it on the wall, but I found that big canvas and I was like, perfection. It's black and white against a gray wall. It pulls it all together. And then I love that little bench. Typically those are in wood. But I wanted one in black, and it was not easy to find, but I just felt like that black would pop. Really like take your master bath to the next thing are the inexpensive things, like the little faux plants. I got those 3. I'll show you a picture of what they look like all together because I have at least 2 or 3 sets of them, and I have those little plants everywhere. I have them in my laundry room. I have them on bookshelves. Some I have, 2 of them. Maybe I'll have 1 of them. You could put all 3 of them. And then I love the white of the chrysanthemums. So I thought they looked really pretty. And then those little marble trays are perfect because they just contain everything. So instead of having everything in a drawer or in a giant spinning organizer or everything like that, I'm like, no. I have baskets, inside my vanity where maybe I'll have my hair care products, and when I, dye my hair, I have a little bowl or whatever. Those don't need to be on the counter. My skincare does because it's used every single day. So I want to contain it, and I think those trays just look great. They're easy, they're washable, they're not breakable, they're not real marble. So you could, put them wherever you want. And then I just think decorate, hyacinth basket, another way to store your toilet paper. I hate toilet paper roll holders. I just think it's like, yep, that's where I store my toilet paper. Well, no one would know. It's a hyacinth basket. It has, your toilet paper in it. And I have them, some of them I have under the sinks in like other bathrooms, spare bathrooms and stuff like that. And it's just an easy way to store them. And I love hyacinth baskets. And then the wood shelf, again, I brought some wood in with the black, wrought iron. It's actually piping, and I love that shelf. I had it in my old house and I love it in this, and it just, again, that pulls from the faucets and the mirrors, and so I think it all just sort of goes together. Now there's one other big project that I do need to accomplish in there, and that is the shower tile. It's just, there's only so much money in budgets, and I'm cautiously where I'm putting it. And honestly, I haven't figured out exactly what I want to do. So but I'm going to try a project and I will film it and see how it works. So it's a DIY and I love that. So we're going to see if it works. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the beginning of a new series. Next, we will be doing my kitchen, which was the biggest renovation. That one was the biggest. So we're gonna do the kitchen next. It's my favorite. It really made the biggest transformation. So guys, if you like this video and videos like them, be sure to hit the thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.